Good morning. It's Saturday morning. I think it's like 12 degrees. With the wind, it's 0. So said the news. Me and Miss Lila. What you do? What you do? What you do? Go, go, go. There's a screw loose in that dog. I tell you what, I think you got a screw loose in there, Lila. Go get it. We're outside looking to do a little gardening, so to speak, kind of. But this is Noah, and this is what's going on at Noah's house on this very cool Saturday. Okay, let's say today's the 14th, maybe? I never know what day it is. A little tour of the frozen garden. Me and Miss Lila. It is cold. It's very cold. Although Lila is keeping herself warm by running around. But I'm gonna spin the camera around, give you a little tour of some complete fails, I think. They were good ideas. I just don't think they were right for my area. And we really won't know until springtime. Okay, here we go. Let me get a little... I have all this wood chip down, so you have to watch because she hurts her paws because everything's totally frozen. Although she does not care. So right here, this raised bed, can you see all the little ice crystals? Well, they're all on the inside. Now, I had a real hard time opening this. Oh! So here's the inside. Everybody's pretty frozen. This was, I do believe, pak choi cabbage. I don't believe it's going to make it. I don't even know what this stuff was. These were leeks. But if, let me get something here to show you. Little spade. And find where there's not a vegetable. That's that's frozen solid. That is this little raised bed. Oh. Of course, I hit the button. What's up, Blue? Now a little tour over here. These big grow bags I have. Frozen solid. Solid frozen block of dirt. These bigger hoop houses, you can actually see there was condensation, but they're little ice balls now. Oh, you can hear that. I never did catch anything in a trap, and that's actually a little looser than what it was the other day, which is cool. So nothing's in there because of whoever got in there. Now here, I think there are ice balls in there now. Oh! Now this bed doesn't have any. A little something got in the back there. These are just onions, so we'll see how they go. Now last year, I had old Christmas lights in there, and they definitely stayed a bit warmer. Over here, this stuff, I don't know who did this. The ice did it. Oh! It's not frozen solid. But remember, these are the, in-ground kind of raised beds. And no, those beer cans ain't from me drinking beer. It was from my slug traps. And the slug traps kind of worked. over here, and my hands are so cold. This is where I planted the garlic, mulched everything in. Solid block of frozenness. And I'm gonna assume they all are too. So basically, whew, it's cold. Lou, you want in? You want in? Okay. A little cold out for Lila. All the raised bedness is frozen solid. Okay, I had to put my gloves on. What I'm looking at doing today, which I've been doing a little bit here and a little bit there. As you can see, they're pretty close to the house. There's branches. And in the summer, these guys really block the sun. So I've been with this crazy chainsaw on a rope, just pecking away at these, just a little bit at a time. Some branches down there, a little bit here, a little bit there. And that's what I plan to do today for a little while. Just a little bit of tree trimming, because it is really cold. Let me spin you around here. Apparently, if you hit like the volume buttons on this or something, it shuts the camera off. But that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to trim a little bit of trees, just peck away at them. I'd like to run a machine maybe, which I might have to do because they're a little taller than what I thought. That's what's going on at Noah's house today on this cold, blustery Saturday. Might do some more videos, attach it to this. I'm not really sure. But if I don't, I hope you guys enjoyed this little frozen tundra one. Catch you. Bye.